Hey girl, you're the goat. I thought it was the way that you make me float. Let me take you on a day, a journey on a boat. Chillin', relaxing all day, drinking journeys in the moat. I'm not much of a gentleman, but I give you my coat. So let's kick back and chit chat. Matter of fact, let's toast. Here's to beautiful days to come. She's smiling so the most. I take a camera out and take a picture to post. And without anyone, and she doing a pose. She knows she a flower, she pretty just like a rose. Cause here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. I don't know, I've been thinking, singing, been dreaming. Her love is free and now I'm just staring at the ceiling, feeling. What am I feeling? God, tell me what your reasons for causing me this pain. I think I'm gonna go insane. Man, she used to say I have the lines, man. Now I'm curled up in the boat, thinking what rhymes with what. Cause I'm slowly dying inside, I'm crying, lying to myself. This ain't good for my health. Cause mga gusto kong mangyari ay parang imposible. Sa buhay kong ito na para bang wala ng silbi. Sadyang nalulumbay pag ika'y wala sa tabi. Ikaw nagpapaliwanag sa madilim ko na gabi. Ayoko kasi makita kang nalulungkot. Pagmamahal ko na tinapon, di naman mapulot. Wala nang dumating, ang puso ko'y nalimot. Ang tanging katabi na lang ang una natang kumot. Pero mas maganda to kung ikaw nandito. Mandami na kasi beses na aking puso'y nabigo. Huwag nang malilito kasi okay lang naman ako. Huwag ka nang malito, huwag ka nang malito.